Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there is an update for Firefox. And Firefox now has one bug fix of this. So if you go to the upper right hamburger menu, go down to Help, go into About Firefox, you'll be sent to version 153.0.4, and this contains one fix, which is the browser actually froze or crashed if you actually emptied the cache. So basically, if you do that, the browser would just freeze. And so there was a problem with that. There's no security updates, nothing. It's really a one simple fix. And so you can go and check out Firefox browser update, and it will update automatically. And it was if you just use it all the time for this really minor fix. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.